but for the most part, beauty signs. Hey guys, so it's my baby's birthday tomorrow. I am super duper excited. He's going to be the big 4. So I bought the number 4 balloon off of Shein. It's a big, massive balloon. It's big. Oh my gosh, and I'm in love. And we got some balloons. I'm going to blow up these balloons, straighten up their room, and I want them to wake up tomorrow with their room filled with balloon. Because tomorrow when he wakes up, I know he's gonna be super duper excited. Yeah, my baby's gonna be 4. He's not getting his presents until maybe weekend or the following week. I ordered them a little bit late, so he's gonna have to wait on that. I'm so excited. My baby's gonna be 4, all of 4. It has been a hard yet beautiful 4 years. May I do it again? Would I? I would. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I know I look a little rough. So today is the day of my firstborn's birthday. So as you saw, we got the balloons glued up. We have another pack that I could use to finish off the space that you saw that wasn't full, but I wanted to give them space to clean and walk up and down and stuff without much popping. The number 4 balloon, my husband's supposed to get that filled with helium, but he couldn't find anywhere last night to get them filled because he didn't finish work until 7. You know, by 8 o'clock everybody start back up. Over the weekend, we go ahead and do our fun activities over the weekend. So let's see how today goes. I'm so excited. My baby's all of 4 years old. Jamie, if the day comes that you ever get to see this video, mommy loves and appreciate you so very much. Mommy and daddy love you, and we appreciate you so very much. Remember to comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. I can't talk loud because my husband's sleeping. And of course the boys are sleeping and I don't want a chance waking them up. So they talk to me. Wait, I'll show you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna get his raw reaction, but I'll get his reaction of when he's excited and waking up and playing with it. So yeah, because I'm not gonna know exactly when he's awake. I'll go look for the number 4. There it is. Huh? Are you excited? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So today is Saturday, and today is my baby's birthday celebration. Woo! So right now, they are giving me work, okay? Not even them, but overall, right now I am installing something that I got from Shein. Buy one, get 4 free. So I got a shoe rack for free. And Jamil and AJ, guys, don't lose the stuff. So I'm here trying to install it, and of course my little handymans are here with me. Not that they're helping me, they're doing their own thing. But before we dive into today's vlog, please remember, guys, to share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? Don't be stingy. Do not be stingy. It's not nice. Sharing is caring, okay? Sharing is caring. So, I'm gonna make you guys see the shoe rack. Yeah. Guys, just relax. Wait, AJ.
My work.
Yeah, I see you.
Yes.
Yeah, good job.
All done.
Well done. Whoa, Jamil, did you put that on?
Okay. AJ, put that on.
Wait. wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Put it in here. And then try to put it in the one over there. So hold on. Good job. No, AJ, don't push. So guys, once again, I got this off of Shein's buy one, get three free, or something like that. One out of the two. Look at this small dish drainer compared to this dish drainer. Right, this dish drainer was rusting and falling down and everything, and I was like, I need a new dish drainer. And I was like, Shein have dish drainer. Let me go ahead and cop one, right? Wrong. Better me leave Shein and then dish drainer. May I try to figure out which way. Okay, so it's under. Alright. So I did it right last night then. All of my stuff is not going to fit on this. They are not going to fit on this. But I did buy one on Amazon. You guys are probably like, Shiva, why didn't you just buy one in a wholesale or something? Because girl, I don't got time. I do not have time, okay? I work from home, and by the time I'm finished working, all I want to do is rest. Because people be thinking that just because you work from home, there's no mental strain that working from home has on you. But it has a mental strain on that. Hi, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Thank you, my baby. Thank you so much. Thank you for blessing me, okay? Yeah. Thank you. My children are so silly. You want juice? Hold on a second, okay?
I like the juice.
Huh?
Yeah?
What did you say, Jamil?
Yeah, mommy.
AJ, I said I'm coming.
I'll do ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
So your girl does not have any cupboards. So this is where I store my dishes. Like a certain percentage of Jamaicans, right? Right. I do not think this is going to be enough for me to be able to store my dishes. But I'm going to try to figure it out. I'm going to try to figure it out and come back. Alright guys, so I'm not going to lie. This has exceeded my expectations. Bear in mind, I do have some dishes in the sink. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. But like all my cups aren't going to fit on here. But for the most part, it has exceeded my expectations. I was not expecting it to, fit as much as it fit already. I would love that it would have been a lot bigger, but then I'm enjoying the counter space because with the other one it took up a lot of counter space. I am enjoying the counter space. I am enjoying that it had a cutting board rack. Compared to what I'm coming from, it gives it a better look. So we'll work with this. I'll work with it because I was gonna just pack it back down and go somewhere or give it to somebody else. But it does the job. It gets the job done. So, and then it gives me a frame of mind that, oh, I need to declutter. So now I'm here and I'm like, okay, don't need that, throw that away. So now I'm decluttering. Hey everybody, hey. So today we were supposed to go out. So today's Saturday. We were supposed to go out today for my son's birthday. But mommy does not feel well. I am under the weather, very much under the weather. I have been sneezing all morning, been coughing, um, very lethargic, very just don't have the energy to do anything. So we decided to put it off until tomorrow, Sunday. Um, Hopefully, by the grace and mercies of God, I am feeling better. So I was trying to get a nap, and I can't get a nap because there's mosquitoes. So I just sprayed out the room with some repellents. Usually when the insects, the mosquitoes, them start to, we just spray out the whole house. We buy a mosquito spray and spray the whole house with it, and then leave the place locked up. So that's what I'm doing. Um, and then you guys can hear some music playing. I couldn't sleep because of that either. So I just decided that okay, let's just go ahead, and my husband told me to just go get some sun. So I'm sitting on the second floor and I'm getting some sun. It's hot, but I need it. The vitamin C. Is it vitamin C or vitamin D? Vitamin D. I needed the vitamin D. So I'm just sitting here looking at the view and taking in what I can take in. I'm actually getting quite hot, but I'm just taking it in. So tomorrow I'll have a better vlog, better part of the vlog for you guys. Hoping that I'm feeling better. I'm not gonna put it off till next weekend. We're going tomorrow. We are going. Like, it's getting so dark. My glasses are getting so dark because I'm literally facing the sun, so my glasses are getting so dark. But otherwise I'm okay. I'm just trying to find ways to feel better. So that's what we're doing. There's literally like two types of music playing. There's music over here playing, music somewhere over there playing. There's music playing, but it doesn't bother me. Hey guys, so um I am now going to prep our stuff to go out. I'm hoping that we can be out of here by about 3-4 o'clock. um I don't want to do anything too late or too in the night because I'm not 100% well, so I want to stick to um the early times. So the boys have taken a shower. I haven't taken a shower yet. Hubby's gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna go iron and get all of our clothes nice and crisp and clean. Yeah, and then yeah. How am I feeling? I'm not 100. I'm not 100. I'm gonna take some of my honey and lime, honey and onion and garlic medicine. Gonna take some for myself and give the boys some, and then see how I feel after that. That's what we're doing right now. Hey guys, hey. So we are just now on our way. It is like after 5. I'm a bit annoyed about that because I wanted to be able to, do things mostly in the daytime, and also be able to can get good content, good lighting. When it's nighttime, if you don't have proper lighting, your content not gonna look so good. But it is what it is. Can't control everything about your day. So we are just now going to go out. We stopped at our location for something first, and then we're going to get on the road. So we're going Buzzers in Portmore. Yeah, and I need something to eat. My head is hurting. So today was a late start. We woke up like after. Why the eyebrow here, babe? So we woke up like after 11. Yeah, we woke up after 11 this morning, and everything. When you wake up late, things just, you know, don't seem the way it's supposed to. So that's why I kind of don't like waking up late. But we needed the rest, so you have to give and take sometimes. So we're on our way to Buzzers. When we get there, we'll get there. I'll see you guys at Buzzers. Listen, I came in the Price Mart to get my son his cake, and the line in here is crazy. Somebody come, come. Flat, flat. The line in Price Mart is crazy. Look at this line. Look at these lines. Oh my gosh. It's a cake. Jamia, that's when we're gonna get your cake.
Wow, mommy.
Mm-hmm. Mommy needs your cake, baby.
Hey, you go to the toilet?
Are you walking flat on your foot? Make sure you're walking flat.
I need to put mommy.
Oh, cake. Jamie, which cake does Jamie want? Hmm? Mommy don't want these big cakes. These cakes are too big.
Yeah.
Cheese. Alright, babe.
having a blast, and I'm happy that they're having a blast. But I definitely can't hear me. I gotta go and play. Go and go play. Boy! Hey, can't bother. I'm not bother with this. Can't bother. I want to go in there go bounce, and they don't want to let me go bounce. I'm so upset. So guys, we are on our way to Devanos because Buzzers was not it. Buzzers was not it for us. Tokens are too expensive. I bought 100 tokens for 2,500. My husband topped up after that, and yet still it was finished. So we just said, all right, here what? Let's go to Devanos, go let them run up and down and burn out their energy, eat some ice cream. We go buy some KFC, they go eat some ice cream, and we're gonna go home and go to bed, okay? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Because why does things have to be so expensive? And you didn't even buy food yet. Like, make it make sense. Anyway, so we're at KFC now buying some food.